Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. Many businesses face the same problem. Ads bring leads to WhatsApp, customers start conversations, but after a few messages, they suddenly stop replying. Is it because customers are not interested, or are businesses missing the right moment to follow up? In WhatsApp lead generation, customers stop responding for different reasons. Sometimes businesses reply too slowly and lose customer interest. Sometimes they only answer questions without moving the conversation forward, and sometimes customer information is not shared across teams, making follow-up difficult. That's why businesses need more than just a tool to receive WhatsApp messages. They need a system that can capture, understand, and continuously manage customer conversations. First, businesses need to respond instantly with YCloud AI Agent. Businesses can automatically welcome customers when they enter WhatsApp and collect important information such as product interests, location, budget, or purchase plans. For simple questions, AI Agent can provide instant answers. For high-intent leads, it can collect key information and hand them over to sales teams. Second, sales teams need complete customer context with YCloud Inbox. Sales representatives can view previous conversations, lead sources, and customer information instead of asking the same questions again. This allows them to focus on quotations, solutions, and closing deals faster. However, many leads do not convert after just one conversation. Customers may need time to decide, review pricing, or evaluate products before taking action. With YCloud Journey and Campaign, businesses can automatically follow up based on customer status, sending product information, reminders, offers, or re-engaging inactive leads. Besides following up with leads, businesses also need to understand which leads create real value. With CTWA and data analytics, businesses can track where conversations come from, identify high-quality sources, and optimize their acquisition strategy. Customers disappearing from WhatsApp conversations does not always mean they are not interested. Often, businesses simply lack a complete customer engagement process. From instant responses and AI qualification to sales follow-up and automated re-engagement, YCloud turns WhatsApp conversations into continuous customer journeys. If your business is using WhatsApp to generate leads but struggling with lost opportunities, slow responses, or difficult follow-ups, learn how YCloud can help improve your WhatsApp conversion performance.